Back box is off. It's just we've just that, mate. Oh my god, he sent it. He sent it. Guys, thanks for tuning in to another video. Look at what I've got behind me. I've got this camo wrap beast. Yeah. However, today is not about this. It's about this bad boy over here. The E46 M3. What do we have here? We've got my boy Mad Mechanic out there. Mad Mechanic, Matt Armstrong. Yeah, you guys would have heard about this guy. I'm going to do one dedicated video about him because obviously he's a very talented man. He's a bell end as well, but obviously, yeah. So we've got the E46 up on the ramp, the homemade ramp, yeah, because the Supersprint exhaust is going to be coming off to make way for the vehicle that we're picking up on Saturday. Now, no one knows what it is. Even he doesn't know what it is. All he knows is he's taking this exhaust off. So you've heard what the Supersprint sounds like. Now the mission is to get this thing off. Rumors tell me it takes approximately 8 hours to get this exhaust off and swap it over. We are hoping to break the records and have it on video to get it done in approximately 2 hours. Now it's potentially not going to happen. It might happen, but you know what they say, innit? If you don't try, you can't make it happen. So, wish us luck. As you can see, my boy Armstrong over here. Obviously, he's got a little micro workstation and that.
As high
as possible.
So
at the moment, we've basically got the car on the jack stands, and this gentleman here.
Obviously, if you're skinny, then you can get under it quite easy. But because I'm quite like a big guy, you know, like pretty bulky, it's quite difficult to get under.
So, guys, obviously this guy is overweight at the moment, as you can see, so he can't actually get underneath him. I mean, this is a relatively large gap, but obviously he has to jack it up quite a bit. So as you can see, we're obviously jacking it up. This is what it looks like when it's jacked up. Don't say anything about the jacking points, because he's had comments about the jacking points and we know where to jack the car up, so don't comment. Anyway, here it is. It's on here. Let's see how long it takes us to get this off. The timers are set. So guys, I'll show you what this thing looks like underneath the car. So that's the Supersprint box. That's what it looks like underneath. Obviously you've got the back box. And then you've got the pipe that follows through. Yeah. Back to the two middle cuts, and I think that's the reason it's called a centre pipe. Oh my god, this guy almost killed me. That is currently what he's fitting now. So it looks like, to get this bad boy off, got one bolt on this side. As you can see, obviously it's in some sort of, I don't know, it looks like a grommet stuck in there. And then you got one on the inside. So we're progressing somewhere. We've taken the Supersprint back box out, and we've loosened up the centre section. As you can see, there's the back box. It's out, Supersprint. There's the old one, that's the existing one. There's Matt. Let's see if we can slide that in without bloody... Cause you should start the car.
Well, let's take this off first, then we'll start.
Then we'll start it, yeah? Guys, we've had a midway through discovery. We've taken the centre section out, and yeah, we've found something unusual on the pipe. Have a look at
maybe it's meant to be like that.
So it's flattened this section, according to Matt. That is to clear something. But as we said, surely that'd affect airflow, right?
Yeah, look the pipe.
But it's perfectly round at the bottom.
What would be the point in having like, is it 2.75 inch pipe to go down to a small pit? Then you're restricting. Yeah. Oh, what's this guy trying to do? Get the
and then we've got this guy here. Man's here.
No centre pipe and no back box.
Are you guys ready? Yeah, we're gonna give this M3 a start, and it's got nothing connected to it. Are you ready to hear how loud this is? Matt, what are we saying? What's this gonna sound like? Machine gun.
This is gonna be mad.
You start it up, you do the honours, mate. Alright, so we're starting this. We've got no centre section, no nothing, yeah? Are you ready? Fire ahead.
It's in neutral. neutral?
Yeah, you put it in neutral, put it in neutral. Push it to the left.
That's in neutral now?
Nah, that's in gear, bruv. You have to put your foot on the brake, you know. Sketchy, bruv. That's it, it's in neutral now, go on. Send it. That's well loud, bro. Go on, send it. Why? Yo. That's on. Yo, bro. That's well loud. What the hell was that, mate? Oh my god, he sent it. He sent it. Absolutely sent it. But put it in sport and press pedal.
Is it gonna which one's sport?
There's a button there that says sport.
Where?
Just there in front of the gear stick. Go on. Wait. Alright. Go for it, bruv. Should we get off the ramp and drive it, bro? Yo. So, this guy, as per usual, goes over the top. Tell him to rev it once. My man puts it in sport mode and starts revving it. So, guys, smells of carbon monoxide poisoning, but we're obviously going to get on with the rest of the job. See you soon. So, as you can see, you've got the stock E46 pipe here, and then you've got the Supersprint. Much narrower, but at the same time the pipes, should we say, circumference is significantly bigger. Gives you much more of a sportier sound. And then if we come over here and have a look at these back boxes, sorry guys if I'm in the way, you've got the standard stock E46 pipe, and then you've got the Supersprint. In terms of box shape, obviously you've got a bit more piping coming around here. I think that's just obviously to help airflow, but then at the same time this is significantly lighter than this. This weighs approximately about 70 kilos, as Matt Armstrong almost tried to kill me earlier with this. Yeah, there's the difference.
Comparison, guys.
So, you know, as you would do with a car and with any modification you do to a car, all the time, yeah, something goes wrong. Now, we're missing the flange for the standard pipe, so we're going to send it, we're going to stick the pipe on with a small gap on it, and we're going to see what the car sounds like. We need to get that flange on before we give the car back, because if we sell the car with that, it sounds like a rocket box. So I'm going to have to source a flange tonight and get that tomorrow, and then get it put on before we go and bloody sell this heap of scrap. Let's send it. So guys, we're still here. It's a couple of hours onwards. We've obviously flopped the challenge of trying to do it quick. My boy out here, Matt, obviously doing mega bits. Got rust in his eye. Obviously standard, the system's going back on. Look how sketchy that is. We're using another car as lights. Obviously we've done a bit of 2-2 graft underneath here, but it has bloody been a headache. So guys, we've done it. We've got the standard exhaust back on. As you can see, the car's behind me. It sounds pretty normal. You can hear the diesel tractor louder than that, to be honest with you. But yeah, it's sad times. It's going to be sad to see the car go. The car's going back to stock, so now it's just a matter of Saturday collection day, because this was probably the biggest challenge that we had in the way. We have sorted it now, but obviously there's one of the clamps that's missing. I'm going to have a look if I can find that clamp, otherwise I'm going to get some exhaust paste and go under the car and just sort of paste around that area, and then just sort of get it sorted from there. But yeah, there we have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, because I'm almost at 100 subscribers. So do your best. Come on, let's get me to 100 subscribers, because then it's not a long way till we get to 1,000. Cheers, guys.